Hello friends, so we have started the tutorial series of e-commerce website, like how we can create an e-commerce website using a Woocommerce plugin and WordPress. So if you are using WordPress, like you can see we have this a normal WordPress website theme we have. So what we will have to do, we will have to go to the plugins section and click on add new. To make e-commerce website, we will have to install Woocommerce plugin. Woocommerce is a very famous plugin which allows us to build a beautiful e-commerce website. So you can click on install now. Woocommerce is a powerful extendable e-commerce plugin that helps you sell anything beautifully. It's by automatic, has more than 1 million active installations, and it's compatible with the version of the WordPress. It's installing, just wait few seconds. Once it will install, we will have to activate the plugin because installation process will only install the plugin, will not active the plugin. So we will have to click on activate, then it will fully activate. Just wait few seconds. It's installed. Now we can click on activate. So the plugin is activated now. Woocommerce allows us to build like products, any type of products, like even downloadable products, also virtual products also. So after activation, you can see this setup wizard will start. So the following wizard will help you configure your store and get you started quickly. So where is your store based? Like it's in Pakistan, and address we can type here like and state is like Punjab, and post code like 38000. And what currency do you accept payments in? Like Pakistani rupee. And I will suggest you to select United States dollar. And what type of products do you plan to sell? I plan to sell both physical and digital products. So digital products can downloadable, and physical products like you can ship them. And now we can click on let's go. In the next step, it will ask you about the payments. Woocommerce can accept both online and offline payments. Additional methods can be installed later. So we will type our email address for the PayPal here, and offline payments, if you want like check payments and bank transfers and cash on delivery, we can select and then continue. Now we have created 2 shipping zones for Pakistan and for the rest of the world. So below you can set flat rate shipping cost for these zones, or free, or you can offer free shipping. So right now we will select free shipping, and later I will show you like how we can change this one. And we will use kilograms for products, weights and centimeters. You can change according to your products dimensions, and then click on continue. Recommended for all Woocommerce stores like MailChimp. MailChimp is also a very good plugin we can use for email marketing. And right now, but we will not install this one, and then continue. And Jetpack also, we will skip this step. Right now you are ready to start selling, and now we can click on visit dashboard. So the WooCommerce has been installed successfully. Now we can see WooCommerce orders, coupons, reports, settings, status and extensions. And in products, we can see all products like add new categories, tags and attributes. One more thing we will do, like in this lecture, in this part 1, we will go to appearance and theme section, and we will install a theme that is called add new. Click add new, that is called storefront. So you can type here storefront, and this theme we will install. And the details and preview, this is also by automatic. So install this theme, just wait few seconds. Same like plugin installation and activation, you will have to install and activate storefront theme. First it will install and then we will activate the theme. Perfect, it has been installed, so just click on activate and now refresh. Once it will activate, we will refresh our website. So it was first this, now you can see our theme has been changed and we have now home, cart, checkout, my account, sample page, shop, and there is cart button also, cart icon, sorry. And in the pages section you can see the WooCommerce created a checkout page, cart page, my account and shop page. 4 pages WooCommerce created automatically, which we will use in different purposes. So now in this video we have learned a lot about. Inshallah, in the next video I will show you how we can add products. So thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also like the video and also leave your comment below. Thank you very much.